Namaste, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, if you're new here, this is me Swana. Take a moment and subscribe to my channel and become my angels. Hi angels, I hope you guys are doing fine and welcome to another video of mine. In this video, you have clearly seen the thumbnail, so you know it. I'm going to eat only BTS recipes for 24 hours and I can't tell you how excited I am to do this video. I have selected few recipes for breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's breakfast time and for breakfast I took two recipes. One is of Jin's recipe and one is of Jungkook's recipe. I'm gonna make Jin's rolled omelette. Jin made that in a video which was let's eat dinner together.
엄청나게 하더라고요. 드셔보시고 실망할 수도 있습니다. 아닙니다.
I chose the easy recipes for breakfast, really easy. And the second recipe is of Jungkook. It's sweet potato. If you guys remember, he made that in a Run BTS video where sweet potatoes were so sticky that it sticked to his plate. And it was a really funny episode if you haven't seen, where all BTS members are cooking.
지금 막 이런 소소한 재미 어때요? 웃음 점수 10점 드리겠습니다. 역시
And I'm really excited, so let's give it a shot. Khaja! I'm all set to start the cooking process. I've tied up my hair. So the ingredients for this recipe are some spring onion, eggs, salt and pepper. I am really excited. Okay, so this is how it looks like. It's good. It's just egg with spring onion. That's it. It's just like how we make our eggs. So 6 on 10. I mean, even if you eat this without the spring onion, it would taste the same. I prefer to make easy recipes. This is really easy and tasty as well. Nice. Now the next recipe which we are gonna make, sweet potato, which was made by Jungkook. Mine one didn't stick to the plate because it got a bit dried up, like the sugar. We didn't instantly transfer it into the plate, so it was there in the pan. So because of that, it didn't stick to my plate. But I wanted it to stick to my plate, but it didn't, and it's alright. So let's try this and rate this. I am too excited for this one because it looks so tasty. Just look at that, you guys. This is so easy to make and I bet it would be really delicious. You guys should give it a try. It is too good. I would highly recommend all of you guys to try this out because this is really good. People all around the world can make this. I mean, these ingredients are available mostly in every place. So this is a hit. I love it. I'll rate this probably 8 on 10 or 9 on 10 because I am in love and my mom is also in love with this one. So it's a pass. I mean, I loved it. I loved it to the core. It's just too tasty. Now it's time for lunch, and for lunch I'm gonna make Jungkook's famous shrimp ramen recipe which he made on the 7th episode of Beyond the Stars at Jimin's place.
혜지야 마이크 줍쇼 봅시다. 자, 손바닥 한번 해주세요. 손바닥.
It is really famous and seems really tempting. So let's not waste any time and let's go to make our lunch. So firstly, I have with me the carbonara buldak ramen. We are going to boil the ramen noodles first. The kitchen is really messy. These look so tasty. Comment down which is your favorite flavor of buldak ramen. Just gonna on the flame and let this boil. I also added some onions. You can take yellow onion if you have, but I chose the normal purple onion. And I also added mushroom into this, and now we are gonna really mix them well. Now let's add some whipping cream. I don't know which cream Jungkook used, but the recipe I am referring to, they have told us to put the whipping cream. Now let's add the buldak powder. So now we're gonna add the buldak sauce. Let's add the noodles into this. I am so excited already. Oh my god. So now let's try this out. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's really hot. It's really tasty. It's 10 on 10 for me. 10 on 10. I loved it. I just loved it. It's too tasty. The carbonara flavor is on the high level, obviously. And then it's like carbonara with mushrooms and shrimp. It's nice. Solid 10 on 10 from me. You should try it out. This is not at all spicy, let me tell you that. I'm a sweat mess right now because I was in the kitchen, so please ignore that. But I really liked it. A best lunch. Today's lunch is too good. It's dinner time, and for dinner I'm making one pan pasta which was made by Jungkook, and he shared its a recipe on Weavers. If you're an army, you definitely know this one. So I'm just gonna make it and try. I'm really excited. So let's go for this. First thing we gotta do is boiling the spaghetti. So I have spaghetti with me right here. Ta-da! With some salt. Okay, so this is butter, and now to this butter we're gonna add some mushroom. Let's add my favorite garlic into this. Okay, now we're gonna add this into this. Now we're gonna add the whipping cream into this. Now I'm gonna add this buldak sauce into this. The cheese into this. testing time and I'm so excited. Obviously, our Jungkook is a good cook. This has turned out really well. This recipe is really easy. Solid 9 on 10. I did my blood, tears and sweat to turn this video out so well. So if you like this video, you know what to do. 좋아요, 구독해주세요, 알림 설정. Comment down if you want the part 2 of eating only BTS recipe for 24 hours. Also the recipes which I have referred is from King Kai Eats. This is their Instagram handle, so you can go and check their recipes out. They have so many different recipes which BTS has made. They made my work so much easy. So go and check out their page. See you in my next video pretty soon. Till then, this is me, Swana, signing off.